So here we are today taking a look at how to buy a car from Japan using Car Sensor. So skip right into it. We're going to go to Google Chrome, going to open Car Sensor and go to the manufacturer. I've clicked on Honda and I'm going to look up the Honda Acti. It's the Acti Track as they call it in Japanese translation. Kanto will be your region of choice. I prefer Kanto and I find a lot of good vehicles in Saitama. That's where I'm going to suggest you to start looking. And we're going to filter down to what's importable to Canada, which is 2009, and just narrow down that price to our budget, which today we're going to set at 700,000. 700,000, let's take a look at this. 700,000, 62.15 in Canadian dollars. So that's what we're going to use today. And we have 49 available units. So if you need anything else, you can filter down here. Gas, diesel, of course. Handle is which side the steering wheel's on. Number of different choices here. You can choose various things, body style, whether you want a truck. If you haven't already filtered down the model to something, if you go ahead and choose maybe Honda Acti and right-hand drive, of course there'll be lots. If you choose left handle or left-hand drive, there won't be any. So good idea of how you're narrowing down your search by just taking a look at that number there at the bottom. So click search and, oh, actually, I happen to really like this first one. Total to pay. We're going to filter usually from cheapest to most expensive or most expensive to cheapest, but do like this one. I'm going to look through the preview pictures here, just take a look, see what's going on. Of course, all these vehicles sold for local Japanese customers. This is their own internal listings, not the export stuff, not the auction stuff. This is really what's meant to go inside of Japan. So usually a higher quality. Now, really like this one. I've had a look through the pictures. I'm going to see here comfortable equipment. That's going to be my air conditioning, but strangely, there's no air conditioning checked off here. I wonder perhaps maybe it's not working. So, drive camera, drive recorder, I think. Yeah, drive recorder that they call it. That's dash cam, basically. So, this is having a look through the site right now and taking a look at all the options. You can read here the kilometers, 9.610,000. So that's 96,000. And of course the year, repair history says none, legal maintenance, whether it has shaken or not. And we'll get into that in another video, but that's essentially what we're looking through here to see all the vehicle history. Now, the 320,000 is usually the number you're going to look for. There's the total to pay. And what you're going to do is take the website link. So go have a look, copy it from your taskbar, your menu bar up there, paste it into an email. And you're going to send that to info@sushicars.com, and you're going to write us a little note and tell us, hey, I found this and I would like to know more info. You do have to know a lot of other stuff and basically speak Japanese to be able to communicate with the dealers directly. But if you want to go ahead and put that link in there from Car Sensor, a vehicle that you found, you want to know more about it, you can also fill out the contact form from our website and you can let us know. And of course, we'll get back to you and do some digging and see what we find. And, we do help people bring in cars. We have consultation if you just want help on doing it yourself. And of course, we can also find vehicles local in Japan, but go ahead and put your name, Bob, Mr. Bob Buttons, if anyone gets that reference, and email address, phone number, all the usual stuff. Ideally, give us a budget to work with, but if you have a specific vehicle, then that's even better. And go ahead and paste that in there in the contact us form from our website, sushicars.com, and get in touch, reach out, and let us know what it is you want to find. This is going to be one of the better websites for you. It certainly has a lot of options, and I find the cars on Car Sensor are just so much better than what you find on auction or Beforward. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave us a note in the comment, and we will hear from you soon. Bye for now.